Hey folks, Sheila here from Design Files. If you've ever felt unsure about how to structure your client contracts or you're worried about missing key details, this update is for you. We've added a fully customizable interior design contract template right inside Design Files to make that whole process simple and stress-free for you. So if you like the idea of being able to use this interior design contract template for your projects, then keep watching and I'll show you exactly where to locate it, how to customize it, how to send it out to your clients for signatures so that you can move forward on your projects. Let's go ahead. We're going to use this project right here as the example. So basically what you want to do is you're going to log into your Design Files account, you're going to navigate to any of your projects, and once you're in your project, you're going to go to the project navigation at the top and look for the option that says Contracts. Click on that and it's going to bring you to a view like this. There's going to be a button where you can add a contract and that will bring you to this view. And over here, this is where you're going to see the template drop down. Now, if you have been using the contract feature for a while now and you've already created your own contract templates that you've saved to your account so you can use them for future use, you're still going to see them listed down here and you can keep using those. The one that has the Design Files logo, this is the interior design contract template that we've provided. And if you'd like to use that for your projects, just click on it and it will load into this field here. Now, we have provided some guidance on how to use this contract template. And the key thing to know here is that this is provided as a general guide. We understand that every interior design business is unique and has different services that they're offering. And we also understand that local laws may vary. So what you want to do here is you're going to read through the contract and you can make any changes that you need to make to it to make it match your business needs. The entire contract is fully customizable. So just go ahead and make the changes that you want to make. And then you'll also notice this little reminder right here to remove all the filler text before you send it to your client. So you would definitely want to remove this section right here so that your client's not reading those guiding notes to you as a designer. Now, key things that I really like about this interior design contract template. Number one, I love that it is written in just plain, easy to understand language. It's not legal jargon. And I think that when you're working with your clients, when they're reading through your contracts, they shouldn't feel worried about what they're signing off on. There shouldn't be any confusion. In this case, it's very clear and straightforward. They can understand exactly what the terms are for this particular contract. We've included all the key sections that you really need to have in your contract so that you and your business are protected and that everything is black and white between you and your client. But you can go ahead, read through it, and make the changes that you want. And the other thing that you'll notice with this interior design contract template is that it's not just the contract, it also comes with an attached statement of work that is also kind of detailed out, and you can fully customize that as well. So if I go all the way down here to the bottom, you can see here, this is your statement of work. And this is essentially, it's all kind of mapped out. So it's organized into clear sections. You can update each of these sections. Everything is customizable. We provide guidance to you to help you understand what you should be including within each section. And then we provide samples. Now, with your statement of work, this is basically where you would be outlining the project scope and deliverables, the expectations. And again, we've got these little reminders here just to remove the placeholder text before you're sending it off. So if you're wondering what all the placeholder text is, it would be these sort of small statements where we're just describing what you should be including within each section. Okay, so go ahead, make your changes, remove any of the text that you don't need, and then you've got your fully detailed out contract and your statement of work that you get to share with your clients. Now, once you've made the changes to your actual document here, and let's go ahead and we're just going to give this a title. So we've got a contract title field here. So let's just call this, I don't know, we'll just call it something simple like design agreement to begin. Oh, hold on a second. We'll call it something simple like design agreement. You can call it whatever you'd like. But once you have made all of your changes to it, you've given it a title, you've added in your client to the actual contract. I'm going to go all the way down to the bottom here. So at the bottom, you're going to see that there is your signature block. And if you want to see what this looks like before you send this out to your client, just go ahead and click the button to save and preview. That's going to show you your overall contract. You can see your title, you can see your logo's been added here. So if you have added your logo to your account settings, it will show on your contract. And then you've got your whole contract ready for your client to review. And they can go all the way to the bottom where they're going to be able to sign off on this particular contract. If you feel good about this, you can go ahead and you can click the button right here to send it directly to your client. You can either download it as a PDF, or you can click the option here to send the contract to the client, where you can include your message and just shoot them an email. They'll get a link to the contract, they click on it, they'll be able to read through and sign off. Now, the other thing that I wanted to bring to your attention is that if you have gone ahead and you've made changes to this contract template and you've customized it to your business, what you can actually do is you can save your customized version by going in here, and you'll see that you have the option to save it as a template, give it a unique name, and then it will show in this list here as one of your own unique contract templates that you can use for your business. So you don't have to come in and use this. You don't have to open up our contract template each time and then keep making adjustments to it. You can open it up once, make the adjustments that you need to make to it for your business. And if you have a standard contract that you want to use for all of your clients, go ahead and save that customized version as your own unique template that you can keep using for future client projects. I think that about covers it. So definitely jump into your Design Files account. If you're in need of a contract, go ahead, pop that one open, and then you can start going through it and you can start customizing it. If you've got any questions at all, reach out to us on the live chat. We're always happy to help. And if you do have a contract, but you're just kind of curious if yours is really holding up and protecting your business as well as it needs to, you can have a look at the one that we provided and see if there's anything extra in that you might want to add to your own. But definitely get into your Design Files account, give it a try, and if there's anything that you want to discuss at all when it comes to your contracts, reach out to us. We're here to help. Thanks for watching.